Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how to change Riot account sign-in username. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Okay, so first go ahead and open up a web browser and go to riotgames.com. Now here, you need to log into your account. And right here, you can change your Riot ID and tagline. So type in your new Riot ID and then type in your new tagline and click on Save Changes. Now remember, if you want to change your ID and your tagline again, you need to wait for another 30 days for this to work. Alright, now you successfully changed your Riot ID and your tagline, but if you want to change your sign-in username, that won't be possible. So Riot Gear does not offer this functionality in account management to change your sign-in username. So if you want to change your sign-in username, you need to send them an email and ask them that you need to change your account sign-in username. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.